Hello students, welcome to the Jain. If you visit our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So this video is due to the more request in the comments of my previous videos. So in this video, I am going to make a detailed analysis of the KCET rank versus marks 2022. So by watching this video, you will get a clear idea what rank you will get. So today I have created a chart. So this chart has been divided into three parts. One is the board marks, KCET, and the rank. Okay, so the board PCMP marks have been divided into three parts. One is 280 plus, another is 260 plus marks in the board, and another it is 240 plus. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll it down. You can just pause the video and you can see what rank you will get. Okay, from the provisional key answers, I think you have got an idea what the marks you will get in the KCET. So I'm just going to scroll it down. So this is the first part of 280 plus, and you can get your the KCET marks here, and you can see the rankings here. Okay, this is the 260 plus. You can see your rankings here in the 260 plus, and the last one, that is 240 plus. Okay, so this is the 240 plus part. So this is the detailed chart of the KCET rank versus marks. So this chart I have created it by analyzing the 2019, 2018 and 2020 years rank list. Okay, by watching that all rank lists, I have created this chart, and this is 80 to 70 to 80% sure ranking. Okay, you will get this type of ranking if you score this type of marks. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.